Today I will show you how I added this text on the ground in this video. Check description of this video to download this footage to follow along with this tutorial. So, let's open this clip in Fusion page. Firstly, search and add Planar Tracker. Now draw a polygon around the area where you want to add text. And click on Set Reference Time. Now change the tracker to Hybrid Point Area. Because we have set our reference time in the middle of clip, we have to track both forward and backwards. So, let's click on Track Backwards. Bring the playhead on the reference time and now track it forward. See, this area is tracked. Let's change the operation mode to steady and play the clip. If the tracked area remains still, it means our tracking is good. And it seems perfect in this case. So, let's change the operation mode back to track mode. And click on Create Planar Transform. Now we will get this new planar transform node. Let's disconnect our main planar tracker. Now grab a Text Plus node and merge it here like this. Type any word here in the box. Now connect our planar transform node like this. You can see our text is connected to the area we tracked. Make any adjustment you want. Let's rotate it a little bit. Change its size and match it with the scene. But that's a separate topic. So, in this way you can track any area and add any object on it. These are other clips that are created in similar way. You must visit this channel to watch full videos, especially if you like drone videos and exploring new places. See you in another video. Thanks for watching.